Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK49 Lunchtime and Teatime Prediction 2nd March 2023. UK49 Lunchtime and Teatime Prediction Lunchtime Prediction number 9, number 13, number 22, number 30, number 44. UK49 Lunchtime Prediction repeat number 9, 13, 22, 30 and 44. Lunchtime bonus number 2, number 17, number 29, number 38, number 46. Bonus number repeat number 2, 17, 29, 38 and 46. UK49 Teatime prediction number 4, number 14, number 17, number 31, number 42. Teatime prediction repeat number 4, 14, 17, 31 and 42. UK49 Teatime prediction bonus number 2, number 10, number 23, number 32 and number 40. Teatime prediction bonus number repeat number 2, 10, 23, 32 and 40. UK49 Lunchtime and Teatime prediction complete 2nd March 2023. Thanks for watching my video. Good luck. See you soon next video. Bye bye.